Okay, so this is Eckville shelter, and they have bunks. So it's like 6 bunks. This is off of the trail, owned by somebody, like a sitter, I think. And so, in far out, it says they're going to be closing in 2026. So I was able to stay here last night. It was pouring rain, and I didn't make it out the rain. I got soaked, but at least I was able to sleep here. This is the backpacker's box. I don't know what's in here. Not much, I don't know. And some puzzles and games over here. And that's it. And they got a picnic table out there for you to eat at. That's that. You gotta stick it outside their house. That you can fill up. And some signs. This is good water. Don't wash anything here. And this is a hot mountain. So filling up today. Alright. We are ready to go. Good morning. Hey tribe, on trail, 6 o'clock, and we're on our way. Rain last night, got caught in the rain, but it did cool it down, so stayed at the shelter with some other trail friends, and I hope to go at least 18 miles a day, because yesterday was only 15, I believe. And I think I got about 62 more miles in PA. So we want to keep pushing. I hope you all are well. Let's get it. Danny's pulpit. Rock climbing early. I'm here at Allentown Shelter, and I'm going to take a few minutes break and eat something and rest my feet for about 15-20 minutes. So I will let you all check out the shelters. They said it's a pretty new shelter, so and it looks like it. So that's the back. Front. And that's the inside. Yep, and that's the table. So I'm gonna sit and eat for a minute. Hey y'all. Just left Allentown Shelter for a break. I had some trail mix and a protein bar, peanut butter protein bar, and some cookies, chocolate chip cookies. do some snacks, and I'm headed out, hoping for at least 18 to 19 mile day today. I'm pushing into Jersey soon, very soon. So in the next few days, I'll be in Jersey. And one thing, there was a sister who I met at REI in Maryland. If you could please inbox me, or I think my email is a part of my description, I think. But if not, just leave something in the comments, because I wanted to, I forgot, but I wanted to share something with you. Okay, so we are headed north, y'all, and the day has been pretty cool. Temperature dropped significantly after the rain, so there's a lot of people had taken off those 2 days when it was like really hot, and I get it. It was like 102, 104 heat index, so I just decided to keep hiking. I didn't want to take 2 days off. I already took 1 day off in PA, so no more days off in PA. And I'm feeling pretty good. Slept pretty good last night. We are rocking and rolling. Yeah. Okay, y'all, we are getting some rain, and Baked Knob Shelter is about 3 miles from me. Wasn't planning on staying there, but we will see how the weather goes. If the rain stops, I'll keep going for a few more miles. If not, I may stay there. It'll give me 16.6 for the day. So we will see. We will see. Hey guys, so I am in my tent, finally. Today was very rainy, a lot of outcrops of rocks, which were a little scary at times. Sometimes I just slid down on my butt because I didn't have like a footing, and then it was wet. So I found a stealth spot. I did 18.9 today, which is pretty good. It was what I wanted. It was going to be either 18.9 or 19, so I was close. So I'm in my tent. I'm going to get out of these wet clothes and try to eat something. And I will be back tomorrow. Javi signing out. Love and hype.